Okay, just wanted to show everybody what I got for Christmas. I got a electric blanket that's in use right now, so I won't be opening that, but along with the electric blanket, I got coconut shampoo, some bars of soap, coconut oil, lip balm, and some deodorant. And these are things that she knew I couldn't get from the food bank. They just don't give these things out. So she sent me these, and I sure can use them. And that was from Texas Silver. Okay. And these I had already opened two before I realized I should wait. And these came from Lynette. Aren't they pretty? Oh, and they're so soft. And I don't have a cell phone, but if I did, they've got the little pad things on the fingers that show, that you can operate your cell phone if you want to. So, thank you, Lynette. I really can use these. My fingers have been getting so cold. Let's see what else I've got here. Yes, I could really use those. I love the alfalfa sprouts. And this came from, doesn't say who it's from. Well, whoever sent them, I sure do thank you. Oh, that should last me for quite a while. Alfalfa seeds. Oh, thank you, thank you, thank you. I don't think there's a name in that anywhere. But I'm grateful, very grateful. Oh, and this come from Lisa. Oh, yeah. Let's see. Fantastic. Oh, yeah. See, I don't carry a purse. I just keep a little wallet. And let me show you what I've been using. This is what I've used for a long, long time, several years. And I made it myself a long time ago. See? And it fits right down in my pants pocket. So, just about right. Fantastic. Yeah. Thank you, Lisa. Thank you, thank you. Fantastic. Oh, wow. Just right. Oh. Wow. And there's the long ones too. Go up to my knee. Okay. Let's say who it's from. I know somebody told me they were sending me socks, but I can't remember who. Anyway, I think that might be, well, I'll have to look and let you know. Oh, it's from Lynette. Okay, thank you, Lynette. My feet are going to be warm now. Who's this from? That ain't gonna work. Oh. Oh. Oh, thank you. Who sent me this? Oh, it's from Lisa. Oh, another one from Lisa. Thank you, thank you. I've been wanting one of these for a long, long time, and it's a grease container. Yeah, I won't open it now because I'm going to save it for when I go through and clean my kitchen. I find a place to set it now, but it's fantastic. Thank you, Lisa. Okay, that's what I got for Christmas. Just wanted to let everybody know what I did get. And I'll be gone for a few days, going to my daughter's, spend the holiday with her, help her with the kids, enjoy them. I'll talk to you after the holidays. I'll probably be another year older because my birthday is New Year's.